Cough syrup tastes like period blood. Not like I would know what that tastes like, but it does. I hate cough syrup. That shit tastes like poison. Man, that shit tastes like poison. Yeah, nobody should drink cough syrup. I don't care if it helps. You can take anything else, just don't drink cough syrup. Yeah, don't drink that shit because it tastes like ass. Cough syrup is terrible, so don't drink it. Yeah, I would never want to put that in my butthole. I would never want to put that in my butthole. It tastes like period blood all over the place inside of me. Cough syrup is the worst thing on the planet. It tastes like you're drinking lava. Yeah, that shit is terrible, so please don't drink it. Cough syrup is disgusting. Yeah.